Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hello guys. So today we will start second video of MVC series. First videos we have seen how to create a first application, so like a basic application inside the MVC. So today we are seeing what is the a model, what is a controller, what is the view, and how it's interconnecting to each other. So it's a very basic video, but it's like a very important to go to the next video. If you are not understanding how it's communication to internal, like a model, views, and the controller. So let's see. So we are coming from the IT stuffs and learning today's, leading tomorrow's, build your career path, and boost your skills. If you want to upskill or reskill your technology, so please contact us. So we will guide and we will take the career path. If you are the freshers, or if you want to do some internship kind of program, so please contact us. So we will guide you. So here I am opening a new file. Sorry, I'm opening the paint. Let's see, paint. I don't think you are visible that paint file, so I will share the paint files. Yeah. So as per the discussion on ASP.NET MVC, we have three folder, three basic structure is that architect. First is the models, second is the views, and the third one is the controller. So I will I will here put one circle, and that circle I'm defining this is my model. What is this is my model? So I will centralize this one. Yeah, this is my model. So as per the previous videos, so we are saying that MVC is depend on the only three pillars models, views, and the controllers. So here instead of the will put this here inside the right corner side. So I will create another circle for the views. So this is our second point, or we are saying. So we have the models and the views and the controller. So this is my view. You can just imagine this is my view. So we are saying how it's interconnecting to each other. We are saying this MVC and exploited MVC it's depend on the this models, views, and the controller. So we have created this model, we have created this views, and now we have controllers. So I'm creating here controllers. It's a basic diagram for to understand how it's interconnecting to that three major component inside the MVCs. So this is you can consider controller. So these are the three models, views, and the controllers. Right. So first whenever we are hitting whenever we are trying to hit whenever we are trying to hit in browser, if you want to ask one a resource www.google.com, just you can imagine that google.com is developed in the MVC. So if you are hitting google.com, or if you are trying to hit itbootstrap.com, so itbootstrap.com is developed only that MVC technology using the MVC framework. So if you are itbootstrap.com and you want to ask one resource, you want to see the videos, so you can just hit first we'll be hitting to the controller. This is the our controller. Whenever you are asking any resources, so first we'll be hit to the controller. Controller will be decide like which view or which model to manipulate or rendering to the browsers. So who will be deciding? Controller will be decide which view will be populating on the browser or manipulating to the models. So this is the very important statement. Controller is a decide to which view will be loaded in the browsers. So that's why we are saying like controller is the heart of MVC applications, MVC architect patterns. So that means like how it's interconnecting. Controller is connected to either view, either model. So it's like it's connecting to the this. So controller is connecting to view also and model also. So that means we are saying that controller is communicating to view or models. Like if you are rendering the view, so it's controller is connecting to view. If you are like manipulating the data, so controller will be hitting to the models. So this is the internal communications for the controller. Controller is connecting to the views, controller is connecting to the models. So this is our first case. So we will try to find another case. So like if you are trying to connecting to controller to view, so it's like vice versa. So I'm pointing, my graphical is not good, so you can understand. So controller is connecting to the views, that means it's a one-way communications. So again, like we are like discussing the another case. So that controller, like we are saying that controller is connecting to view, but view also want to connect to the controller. Yes, yes, it's possible to the MVC application. View also it's a view is also to connect to the controllers. Yes, yeah, it's a possible to in a MVC. So it's like a vice versa communications inside the controller and the view. Controller wants to connect to the view. Yes, it's a possible. View want to connect to the controller. Yes, it's a possible. So it's like a sending the request. It's a rendering the browser. So we are saying here like this statements to render render the DOM element. You can just consider DOM. What is the DOM? DOM object models. Like we are saying that like HTML controls inside this is called as DOM. So controller is rendering the DOM element via views. So and view is like sending the request. You what is the views responsibility to connecting to the controller to sending the request. This is the purpose of the communication of the view and the controller. So we have like in the second case. First case is a controller is communicating to either view, either models. So first case is this one, and the second case is a view also connecting to the controller. This is the second case. I will point to here too. I will have the first. This is also first. So you can just imagine like first, this is the first case, two, this is the second case. Now, like we have like seen the like view controller model. Now, what is the like when each model is connecting? Model is connecting to vice versa? No. Model is not connecting to the controller. So only controller is taking the action. Controller is only access to connect to the models. It's not a vice versa. So like again, view is also connecting to the models. So view is also connecting to the models. This is for which purpose? For the display purpose. Sorry. So for which purpose we are trying to connect to view two models? For the display purpose. Display purpose, that means whatever we are defining the models inside the models, you can see like my previous videos, like I will show again, we have created models like employee models. We have created one new models, my previous videos, employee models, and that employee models, we have created one property and we want to display that particular property inside the views. That's why we required that communication. And this is the my third case. This is my third case to communicate via view to model. So these are the basic diagram for the MVC, like a model, view, and a controller. How it's like a behavior, internal behavior to communicate to each order, like a controller is connecting to view, view is connecting to controller, controller is connecting to model, view is connecting to the models. So you can try to understand like behavior of the models, views, and the controller. These are the three pillars, and these are the three heart of pillars to the MVC application. If you want to like develop, or if you want to learn MVC application, MVC language, or MVC framework, so you can understand these kind of communication mechanisms. So I will. So these are the like three pillars of the diagram. So if you are like we'll stop these videos, like we will next videos we will create like architecture of the MVC, like MVC page lifecycle. We will discuss next video like how it's a MVC application works, like which event will be hitting, which event will be hitting, like case 1, case 2, case 3. So if you want to like see this repeatable video, go to our like IT Bootstraps. Here, like if you go to the IT Bootstraps, this is not our home page. I will going to the home page. So this is our main portal, IT Bootstrap. You can go to the upskill repository. Then you can click on the video channels, and then you can open the like here we have like a multiple playlist. You can click on the MVC series, and you can see the this MVC series multiple videos. So we have the first video. I will upload these videos, and inside this second playlist. If you want to like understand how it's like a behavior, how it's like a internal communication inside the model view controller, you can visit and you can listen, or you can see our this model view controller architecture videos. So if you want to like these videos, you can subscribe our channels, YouTube channel, IT Bootstraps also, and you can reach out to us for the, if you want to facing any issues, or if you want any doubt, or if you want like a reskill or upskill, you can contact to reach us to IT Bootstrap as per the our given contacts. How do you can communicate us? You can just simply go to the contact and you can see the these numbers. You can call anytime. We will guide to you to in more details for reskilling and upskilling your careers. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.